Welcome back, Hotwheelers. It's Craig here again from Hotwheels Boys. Hope you guys have been having a great week and a great weekend. I've got another video for you guys. What's in the box? I've got some real nice goodies to show you guys what we have. And let's have a look. Let's see what's in the box. Here we have the Tail Dragger from Spider-Man, Maximum Venom, Doctor Strange. The card detail is beautiful. The art on it, look at that. Fantastic. Wow. Really nice vehicle. The original DJ Triple J, he has a few of these that is customed, I've seen on his track. Very fast cars, once them customed. A lot of space to put weight in. Let's see what's next. Yes, we've got the custom 77 Dodge van. This is a treasure hunt. I was very lucky to find another treasure hunt this year. As you can see, there's the treasure hunt symbol just there next to the J. Fantastic car. Love it. Another one for the collection. And then next up we've got the Hotwheeler. This is a street beast. Fantastic looking car in orange and black. This will be used in the Hand of Elimination. You guys know, you've seen my Halloween race last year. If you haven't, go and check it out and you'll see the Hand of Elimination. Up next, we've got the Lamborghini Urus. Very, very fast car. Excellent car for racing on your track. Very fast if you want to beat other vehicles. Also would be very good for customizing and racing on the fat track. Another one here we have is Muscle Bound. Short card. Beautiful car. I think it's really fast. Looks fast. Love the shape of the vehicle. Look at that. It's all aerodynamic. Beautiful looking. Fantastic car. We will take a closer look at these vehicles very shortly. We've got next up we've got the Subaru WRX STI. This is from the Speed Graphics lot of Hot Wheels. Fantastic looking in yellow. Really like it. I'm going to do a rally race once my mountain is all built. And then another car we have here is the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. This car is really fast. It is currently the King of the Hill champion at peak time racing. Very, very fast car. Hopefully I've got good wheels on here and it will be quick as well. Very, very nice to have in my collection. Also, here I have is a monster truck, Monster Maker. So if you've seen my recent video, just released on Monday, which was just a 1 minute video, it showed a very short video on these. But I have yet to open these, so I will come back. We will have a look at all the cars shown at Hot Wheels Boys Garage, and you'll see this one here as well in action with it open. So stay tuned and keep on watching, guys. There's another section of this video coming up. Well, here we go, guys. Here's the monster truck. We have attached one of the vehicles, the Hot Wheeler, to it. I will also attach, I think this is Audacious. I'm correct. Yep, it is Audacious. So very easily to thing. And look at that. Can't come off. Fantastic. And you just race it down your track. Could even put a Lamborghini. Look at that. Beautiful. Green on green. Any car. Let's see what else. Let's try a bigger. Oh, let's try a tail dragger. Sorry. Tail dragger. There we go. Look at that. Tail dragger. Oh. He fell off. Oh well, not all. Let's see, what else we got? Muscle Bound. Yeah, look at that. There it goes. And off you go, racing. Zoom. Fantastic. Excellent. So yep, that's the monster truck, Monster Maker. Fantastic addition to the collection. I'll just put Audacious on there. There we go. Nice and neat, all the wheels secure. Fantastic, yeah. Fantastic to have in your monster truck collection. You know, you can race any car. And it will always spice up things because you'll have different weights in the different cars. So each car weighs differently. So they will always go at a different speed. So fantastic. So now we'll head down to Hot Wheels Boys Garage and go and have a look at all the cars that we looked at today. A much closer look with weights and things like that.